Good big morning! Okay, so first of all, hit the subscribe button, comment, like, fucking do whatever, because it's cool. It's a cool thing to do, and most of us who ride dirt bikes are the coolest persons on the planet. Honestly, I want to take like a different approach on this channel, and I think we're gonna do that in July. Well, I know we're gonna do it in July, but in July we're taking a trip down south, but I want to like vlog a lot of it, and we came up with this challenge idea thing where we just have a bunch of challenges, and then like it's teams of 2, and whoever does like the most challenges pretty much wins. That's a nice fan. We have some challenges already, but we don't have enough. We don't have enough challenges. So if you could come up with some challenge, it could be as like getting pepper sprayed. It could be the longest wheelie, anything. Like we've already come up with those stupid ones like that. I couldn't tell you who's getting pepper sprayed, and I don't think anyone wants to volunteer either. But it's fine. So I mean, if it comes down to it, I mean the losers are gonna you know want to die after what happens to them, because there is a punishment for losing this challenge for the opposing team. Now the winning team gets a couple rewards. What are they? I'm not allowed to tell you because it's not July yet. But come July, right? The videos are gonna be bangers. As long as we have challenges to actually do, alright? It could be stuff to do, like I said, at the track, not on a bike. It could be anything. Just come up with challenges, comment them down below, because we need more. And like we have some, but it's really just not enough. So today we are going to Plymouth. It is actually Mother's Day. Sorry Mom, but riding's a necessity. So yes. So basically, Jake isn't coming, Greg isn't coming, and if Greg isn't coming, that means Frank ain't coming. So who's that leaving me to ride with? Jacob and my brother, unfortunately. Yeah, we'll see how this goes, because my brother claims that he can keep up with me on all the trails and everything, so I'm here to prove him wrong. I'm going to bring him to the gnarliest hill climbs I can find in ancient pilgrim land, because fuck him. Third kick every time?
Yeah, mine's right. First kick.
No goggles, Cody? I got him right here. Oh. I was going last, guy. Oh, what happened to first kick? I said third. Oh, okay. Oh. Yours is gonna be third kick for sure. What? 3. I know. I'm just amazing at guessing, huh? Why can't he just fall? I want content.
Look at you should get this on video. Oh. You're already recording.
I know.
You should have fell!
Yeah. What the fuck? Where's the content, right? I think the sketchiest part about me riding is that I ride with my camera in my bag too. Yep. Yeah, you said it was easy.
What?
You said it was easy.
Yeah, I'll do those.
All those easy hill climbs, huh? He ain't making it. No fucking way.
So what the fuck is this?
You said they were all easy.
Hell no.
Hell no. So basically what you're saying is you were finally wrong? I thought you could keep up, no problem.
No, I need a second try.
A second try. Kid thinks he's the shit. Keeps helping me, no problem in the trails, he says. No problem. Long story short, he can't keep up. He can't handle it. He can't handle the 250. Jacob, we got Jacob coming. Oh, whoa, dude. What are you doing? You're supposed to stay on the bike. Jeez, kid. You are clear for descent. Because you're not ascending, for sure. Oh! They're easy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing? Just get on the bike like a normal person. What the fuck was that? Oh man, we're gonna be here for a while. It's fine though. And not to mention I got an even better hill climb after this. Because it's actually rocky and not easy. Ah! Jake, I wasn't ready yet. I was trying to take my sweatshirt off. People, stop going. I need to take my sweatshirt off. It's like 4,000 degrees. Jeez. Will he make it this time? Where are you going? Dude, you almost had it! Will he make it this time? Who knows? Dude, you were like so close. You only had like a mile left.
Dude, just stand up and fucking gas it. You'll be good.
I have a problem shifting. I can't fucking shift.
You don't need a shift. You stay in one gear when you go all the way up.
Yeah, I try to shift down there and I fuck up.
So
Well,
don't shift down there.
Start
Shift
in
before.
second, like I said, that's what I do.
I try to shift the second when I
Yeah,
can.
you don't have enough speed coming up. That's when you need the most speed.
Don't shift right before you start going up the hill, because that's when you lose momentum.
You gotta stand up. You're sitting down.
What?
You gotta stand up. You're sitting down.
Stop sucking.
Right there. Still sitting down.
What the fuck?
You sat down the whole time, dude.
Dude, you said it was easy, and we're still here on like the 907th attempt.
Stand up.
Bro, this bike's not powerful enough.
No, dude.
No, that's not an
you know the bike you
excuse.
just saw?
Yeah.
I made it up there on that.
Oh!
Hey.
Oh, he's blaming the rock now. You didn't even hit that rock. You hit the other one. I guess I can just start fucking walking down. It's not like he's making it up very far. Definitely loose, huh? Look at that. Nice. It's like a padded landing every time I put my foot down. It's like I'm sitting on the moon. We actually didn't go to the moon, so I call bullshit. Jake, do you think we went to the moon?
Did we go to the moon?
Yeah.
Oh, when was that actually? I don't know.
Like 19, what year is it? No, like 70 something? 69, 70?
I don't remember, dude.
Do you think we went to the moon? Or do you think it was fake?
No, nothing's fake.
Nothing's fake?
It's all in the head.
All in the head. So you mean we have North Korean propaganda here? I bet you North Koreans think that they went to the moon. Probably. Dude, that's rude. That is not nice. How far do you think he's getting? Watch out, man, he's coming! He's coming! Oh my god, dude, I thought you were gonna die. Now it's chilly. I'm fucking rattled.
Sit here.
You sit right there. That's it.
Because it's just sand.
Dude, he moved the rock that he didn't even hit. He's gonna go way farther now. I see he's gonna get to me. Or not even close. Are you good? No way, dude. I didn't even get it on camera. No way you just fucking did that. Oh my god. Cam? Dude, what the fuck did you do?
I like turned the corner of my eye.
No way you just went dolphin diving into the No way. Oh my god, dude. You are soaked. I'm a dick?
Yeah.
Why? No, his head was fine.
Yeah, I thought you went like fully under. I didn't see.
I did go fully under.
I mean, I saw you had to come back up, otherwise I would have ran down a lot faster.
Are you helping me? Yeah.
Do you think I want to like explain to my mom how you died in front of my own eyes? No. Especially on Mother's Day? No, I don't want to do that.
Well, they got clean.
Yeah, I guess so. When's the last time you showered? Like 3 weeks ago?
I mean, hey, at least it's not 20 degrees out, bro.
I know, at least it's warming up a bit.
Yeah, that is.
What the fuck, dude? I wasn't even recording that time. Alright, I got this. You can fucking take a break there.
Damn it!
Sick!
It's not that hard.
You dropped your bow tie.
Huh?
You dropped your bow tie.
What the fuck?
Going again.
Dude, I popped a wheelie. No way. Does that count?
Rock parakeet.
Yo.
P-A-R-K-T. Penguin. Look at that, making it out.
What?
You made it pretty far.
What?
That's a rock. Danger. Oh!
You fucking did it.
Oh!
You did it.
Fucking screaming.
Whoa, Cody. I found a bug that matches your bike.
No
It's like super green though. Come here, look at it.
Really?
I thought it was a green one.
It's fucking like dumb green. He dumb green.
Dumb green.
Is he alive? Dude, look at Jeremy. He's the man. My man.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
What'd I miss? Somebody hit a rock?
Dude, he almost fucking ate it hard.
I heard a big.
And he twisted his bars so fast.
Oh!
Yeah, he did it again! Same fucking thing, dude. too? If I go up it?
I don't really know what he's doing. Oh, another rock that he hasn't hit yet. Gotta get the shot.
Bro, I hit the fucking, what's it called? The side.
Have you tried not hitting the side?
You tried like...
Stay to the right as far as possible. So it's the best.
Let's get the shot.
Yo, it turned on.
Turned on? Turned on, ladies and gentlemen. Turned on. Oh, we gotta get the shot. You won't even know.
Oh, just kick to the left.
Dude, are you kidding me? I was literally getting the shot. Dude, are you kidding me?
Bro, I keep going to the left.
Have you tried not sucking? Okay. You wheelied it at the top and I'm in the middle of a fucking tree. I'm in a fucking tree! So close. McCord and Jake and tree. Literally being held by a tree. Alright, if you didn't make that, I'm gonna be so mad. Nice!
Thought he made it.
No! Sick day!
I like
jumps and stuff.
That's the only thing I'm like, if
Oh, I'm still recording.
they are big.
Hi. Like, subscribe, and comment. He said it was easy, he couldn't keep up.